Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate two ways of hair collision in the Blender 2.82. The first is the left one with a force field, and the second one is the right one with collision. Now let's start it with a cube and a plane. We're going to rotate the plane to make sure the orientation is facing towards the colliding object. Now we're going to add a hair particle system for the plane. Change the emission number to be 100, length to be 6 meters, and the segments to be 16. Then we're going to change the stiffness to be 0.1 and the damping to be 1. Next, we're going to move to the Render tab to make sure to check the B-spline on and change the strand steps to be 7 in the viewport display. This will provide a better looking hair in the viewport when you're doing the simulation. And then we're going to add interpolated children particles. Click Defect Children in the field weights. After that, we're going to add the force field for the cube. Change the strength to be 10 and make sure the gravitation is on for this simulation. Gravitation simply means that if the force field is going to affect the object's movement caused by the gravity. Into the Fall-Off tab, change the power to be 10 and set the maximum distance to be about 0.3, which means the maximum distance between field shape and particles. And then bake and run the simulation. Now we can see an acceptable rough simulation. You can adjust the status in the particle and force field to achieve the result you want. Now we're going to duplicate the particle emitting plane and the object along the y-axis. Change the physics to be collision. Increase the thickness outer for the subbody and close to be about 0.3. And then bake. Now we have the second collision based on the collision physics. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe. I will continue to put some simple personal tricks and thoughts on this channel. It is usually the problems I solve when I learn Blender by myself. And please leave a comment if there's something bothering you and you cannot find a good tutorial about. We can work out together, or the tips that you want to share with other people's.